You gotta be kidding me. Where are we with the portrait mode? Don't let the word manual fool you. It's really straightforward. Today we're gonna bust out a nice little cappuccino. Stay tuned. Make sure you've filled it with fresh filtered cold water in the top container. There we go. You wanna make sure your center light is red. Best situation, let this thing warm up for 10, 12, 15 minutes before you create your first espresso drink. Too cold of a machine, you're gonna get mediocre results. So nice and hot, be careful obviously, surfaces can scald. First off, what you're going to do, run a little bit of hot water through the portafilter, just a bit, get everything extra hot, rinsed out. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove this. If there's any residue from last time, go ahead and wipe that out. Then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the grinding of our whole beans. A really, really key piece of the puzzle here. Fresh ground and starting from whole beans is gonna let you extract arguably the best flavor, hands down. I would go to a very low setting. In the entire range, I'm at about a 6 or 7. So very finely ground. You'll see the results in a moment here. Next piece we're gonna do, go ahead and gently tap that out. Yep, need a little bit more. Try to distribute that evenly. Go ahead and spread it across. Clean off any extra there. And we're gonna tamp it. Basically all that really requires a little bit of light pressure, good quality. Tamping tool. Get these for about 10 bucks online. Press that down. Even disbursement there. And go ahead, set that up in our machine. A little bit of camera jostling around. Left that up top. So it too is nice and warm. That's it for your espresso shots. Now on the frothing of milk. Now for cappuccino fans, what you're gonna wanna do, go ahead and toggle your steam wand switch to the right, and then once that rocker light is on, make sure the wand is completely immersed into the milk. We're gonna use whole milk, absolutely the best way to go, get a much thicker, creamier foam. So we're gonna toggle this switch, wait for the red light, and then after we've immersed the wand into the milk, we turn it on. You're gonna need 2 hands for that. Here we go. Keep the wand towards the edge of the cup. Keep it immersed. We let it out a tiny bit, a little more foam. It'll take you about 25, 30 seconds. Excellent foam. The finished product? No, I don't do latte artwork, but hey, this cappuccino, it's gonna taste pretty delicious.